Hey y'all, I'm going to be making schezwan egg fried rice today. Started adding some oil and 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Then frying some veggies on medium flame, which includes chopped carrots, peas, and French beans, so they are more crispy than soggy. After almost 5 minutes of frying, I added half a capsicum and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and some pepper. After frying for another 5 minutes, I added 3 tablespoons of schezwan sauce. Then I added my cooked rice. Since I'm making this for almost 10 people, this recipe is for 2.5 cups of rice. I will shorten it and write it in the description for 1 cup. Switch to a bigger pot. Then I made some scrambled eggs and added it to the rice. Not gonna lie, this was low-key fun. Time for plating. Served it with some chili chicken. Tada!